What up, chat? Today, big day, man. Beyond. We will be going over technical analysis where my entry was. Look at that. The weekly. Anyway, we can start on the yearly, seeing what's going on. Very bearish. Very bearish. Look at this nasty. Bearish. I mean, it broke that low down there. At where's it at? Come on. Broke that low. 223. Boom. 3-month chart. What a day, man. And this was one of the highest short floats stocks. It was like 85-90%. I think 2 days ago when it was at 60%, man. But anyways, 3-month chart took out the low. We gotta go slow right through here. Close below this low. That was bearish signal. The weekly. The one thing I seen, and this is why I bought. Boom. The green candle. Chat, I've been telling you, this is my strat. A green candle is technically consolidation, okay? So let me break it down. The market moves in like 3 things. You got accumulation, which is consolidation. You got manipulation, which is the fake move. Then you got the real move, which is the moon. Okay, simple. You got the green candle. That's a range. It's a little consolidation. That's what that means. On a smaller time frame, like a 4-hour chart, that's a consolidation. It moving like this. Then it coming down here is manipulation, because whatever side it takes out of that range usually likes to go the other way. Most of the time, your probability is higher for that to happen. Anyway, it does that. Boom. Just from that, I'm thinking, okay, something's going on here. It gapped down ugly, very bearish, but at the same time, you got to use your brain. High risk to reward, man. 60 cents? 49 cents you could have got this at. 49 cents. Well, you're risking 49 cents to make $1 million? I mean, see these equal highs right here on the weekly too, man? I think it got up here. I don't think it took it out yet, but see, liquidity, likes good target right here, man, for people still holding. That's what I'm targeting. Anyways, you understand that. It's on the weekly chart. Let's drop to the daily. Let's see what we see here, man. I mean, this is ugly though. Gap down, that's bearish. Got back above here, bullish. You could have bought and you would have got screwed, but that's why when it closes below here, you get out. Right? When you see this, you get out. Right? You don't hold till it comes down here. Make sure you pay attention to your ish. Because it could have very well closed above and popped. But it wanted to manipulate, fake people out. And I think was it bad news that came out? That's why it went down. I'm not sure, but it nasty gap down. But it doesn't want to. If it doesn't want to close above this was a range of the. I think this was a yearly low. And it closed above it, which is bullish, and below it. So now it's bearish. Even though it wicked up, it's not bullish. Wicked, still bearish. Boom, it's right here, still bearish, and it gapped up here. Right, and so right here you could have took a trade, because what did it do here? What did it do here, man? It gapped up into this range. Let me explain gaps to you, man. Price likes to go back into previous gaps. Let me sip my coffee. Oh, that's cold. Wow. Anyway, once you see that, and then you can get a little gambly, because that's a whole day. And look at that. It's a big move. Instead of buying right here. So you drop to a time frame like an hour chart, because they go together. Boom. If your sleepy ass was up 7 a.m., man, it closed right here. Boom. Even on the black candle. Boom. Still bullish. Boom. Bullish. You know what I'm saying? I don't make this ish up, bro. What's this green line? What the hell's this green line, buddy? Oh, hold on. We're looking at the... Hold on. For some reason, it's showing me way up there. Right? Oh, yeah, it's this one down here. But you can see on the hourly chart. Boom. And then also applying what I taught you about the green candle, which is consolidation. What did price do? Inside. It took out this high before it took out the low. So you can expect price to run below this low. Now, it doesn't happen always, but it is a higher probability. What is trading? Based on probabilities. You buy this wick up here. No, you don't even do that. You wait for it to come down here. Fair value gap. Boom, entry. Then once price closes for sure above this, bro. You see what happened here? It took out the high, never took out the low. It doesn't have to happen always, but if you apply your strategy, certain things, and it happened, like if this would have happened, you're getting in the 80 cents instead of buying today when it's mooning already. It's too late. Where did I get in? I gotta rethink. I think I bought this gap or... Oh, low key. No. I think what it was down here. It was on the daily chart. What was I looking at? Oh, I think it was this order block right here. So you see price? A little sloppy order block, but you know, I like sloppy. So, right here. I'm trying to teach you guys my ish. Right here. Order block created from this right here. This candle wicked up. Now that's nasty shit, right? That's some nasty ish. But then what happens? This is only hourly chart. This is where I got in. I perfected my entry on the hour chart, the smaller time frame. Then I used higher time frame bias like monthly or weekly or daily. I'm not gonna day trade scalpel. I'm gonna wait for the moon, you know. But anyway, order block created. What are these? The green candles, consolidation, man. I mean, you can't make it up right here. It took out this one, and it came down for this. But it never took out this first. So technically it took out this one first. As you can see. I'm not making this up, bro. It happens more times than not. And then I took my entry. This gap right here. This is an imbalance. Price likes to trade back into them. You can use them as targets on a higher time frame. Right here, imbalance. Price likes to trade back into those. I got in on this gap. Now, as you can see, it was a nasty red candle, but it's a 60-cent stock. It already broke structure. Order block. What is this? 50% of the range. The blue line. 50% of the range. Boom. Entry. That's a premium and discount, buddy. You can also draw your Fibonacci's. Draw your fibs. These are damn near perfect price levels. Whenever you see price close above, bullish. You can expect it to go up to the top or make a nice move up. It closed above, right? On the hour, closed back in. Closed, you see it? Inside candle, never took it out. It happens sometimes or not. But if this went down here and back up, you'd be more bullish, right? But it doesn't even matter because price closed above this price level, above this range. It's bullish, man. It's bullish, bullish, bullish. Bullish. I want to mark out where I got for you guys exactly, but I told you it's that white box. I literally nutted on the market, bro. I can't lie. Literally, man. Anyway, I forgot how much percent. 6, 12, 18, 24, 32. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 36.42. That's like, I think 800%, bro. But then if you're really good, which I am, but it's just too much. It's just I like this time frame. I don't need, but you could have got in on this candle right here if you had nuts. Order block, boom. There's order block. Now that's some nuts. You have some nut sack. I mean, what'd it do? Below the 50.